Looking for an easy and super hydrating smoothie to enjoy this summer? Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we believe that there's no greater wealth than your health. Today we're going to be making a refreshing watermelon cucumber smoothie. I don't know about you, but when I think of summer, I think of refreshing watermelon. And it's the perfect after workout food because it's so high in water. For this recipe, I'm going to use frozen watermelon. Why? Because then I don't have to add in ice, which can really water down the flavor. So in your blender, add in about 2.5 cups of chopped watermelon. And I recommend that when you're cutting up your watermelon, go ahead and cut them in small pieces before actually putting them into the freezer. Because once they're frozen, they're not really easy to chop up and measure. And again, it doesn't have to be exact. Next, let's add in 1 cup of chopped up cucumber, which is about 1/2 of a medium-sized cucumber. Now, cucumbers are also really high in water and vitamin C. So not only are they going to help hydrate our body, but they're also going to help support our immune system. For some extra vitamins and minerals, I'm going to add in 1 large handful of organic baby spinach. This is optional because what it's going to do is obviously turn our smoothie green, but if you don't mind the color, I highly recommend adding it in. Next, let's add in the juice of 1 lime, which is about 2 tablespoons of juice. And limes are high in vitamin C, so again, this is going to help support our immune system. Next, I have 1 cup of coconut water, which is super hydrating for the body. And it's also really high in potassium, so that means it's going to help regulate your blood sugar levels. We may need to add in more once I start blending it up, just depending on the thickness that you prefer your smoothie to be, and also because my measurements aren't really exact. Sometimes you just have to alter in how much coconut water you add in. Last, I'm going to add in 1 to 2 drops of Peppermint Essential Oil, just for a little bit of freshness, and also it's going to help support our digestion. You don't want to add in too much because I promise you will be able to taste it and it will overwhelm the smoothie. So as soon as it's ready, come on. Okay, place on your lid and blend everything up. Okay, let's give this smoothie a try. As you can see, as it sits, the ingredients will start to separate just a little bit, but it still will taste amazing. Super crisp, super refreshing, perfect drink for summer. So good. The peppermint essential oil is optional, but it does add in just that little bit extra crisp flavor to the smoothie. And if you don't want your drink to be green, that's fine. Just omit the spinach and it'll be a beautiful red. Either way, so good. Definitely give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this recipe, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So come and join me next week for a new tasty and healthy recipe. Cheers.